In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Bitrix24 password. Changing your password regularly is a cornerstone of digital security, ensuring your account remains under your control and reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Whether you're doing this as routine maintenance or because you suspect your current password might be compromised, Bitrix24 makes the process straightforward. Let's walk through it together. First off, you'll want to navigate to your Bitrix24 feed. This is your starting point and acts as a hub for all your activities within Bitrix24. You can easily access your feed by going to the main page of your Bitrix24 portal. Once you're in the feed, you're just a few steps away from reaching the password change option. Next, locate and click on your profile. This might seem like a small step, but it's your gateway to accessing all your personal settings. Your profile is typically found on the top corner of the page. It's where you personalize your account and adjust settings to fit your needs. After you've clicked on your profile, you'll need to click on it again. This might sound redundant, but it is an important part of the process, as it ensures you are navigating into the depths of your profile settings, where you can make more substantial changes, including updating your password. Now you're getting to the heart of the matter. Look for an option labeled Passwords. This section is dedicated to your security settings, where you can manage passwords and other security protocols associated with your Bitrix24 account. It's an integral section for maintaining the safety and integrity of your data within the system. Upon finding the option, click on Edit. This action will lead you to a page where you can input a new password. Choosing a strong, unique password is crucial here. Your password should be a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance its security. Furthermore, avoid using easily guessable passwords such as, 123,456 inches or password. The complexity of your password is a deterrent against unwanted access, making it harder for others to guess. It's always a good idea to update your passwords regularly and to use unique passwords for each of your accounts. This reduces the risk of multiple accounts being compromised if one of your passwords is somehow discovered. Changing your password in Bitrix24 is not just a matter of digital housekeeping, it's about protecting your account and ensuring that all your data within Bitrix24 stays secure. Each step in this process contributes to making that happen. From accessing your feed to finally updating your password. Remember, security in the digital world starts with you, and taking these steps seriously can make all the difference. So take a moment to update your Bitrix24 password today, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your account is securely under your control. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for support or consult Bitrix24's help resources. Thank you for watching and stay secure.